Hi, hello, welcome back to the new video. So good to see you all over here. This video we're going to be talking about keeper application part 4, and in this video we're going to be giving our application style and dependencies, nothing less, nothing more, and we're not giving any functionalities. So just style, that is all, and we're going to be using material UI documentation to do that. And we're going to be giving our application a transparent background, something like this. I like pink color, and let me know what's your favorite color. And these were the tools that we are using, npm modules such as material UI core and material UI icons. I want you to install them inside the terminal of your application. First things first, what I have done is cd over to the location and install the components. I mean, not components, node modules. And I've also installed what is called this this ones, which are material UI core and material UI icons. So these links aren't working, so i'm gonna I'm going to provide the installing links so that you can paste over here, and node modules will automatically download. So once that completed, I want you to get started. So first things first, inside the create area, in the node dot jsx, over here you can see delete. What I'm going to do is to npm run dev so that you can see the output. Just go there. It would be better if our screen is like this. Oh, now it's perfect. I'll minimize it. Okay, I want our first things. I'm just going to give a random note and add. Here you can see delete button. I want that delete text to convert into emoji, or an icon of material UI. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to the material UI documentation. Here I'm going to the icons and the material icons. You can search whichever the icon suit you. So I'm going to check delete. So I'm just going to choose this one and copy this one, and I'll go over here and paste that here and copy it. And instead of this one, I'm gonna paste this one, and this is a self-closing tag. And here you can see the delete text has been converted into an icon, that is material UI icon. And the same things goes for this add button as well. So I'll just go over here and search for another icon, which is add. I'm today so aggressive, and I'll copy it, and this one's inside the create area. So I'll save, and instead of add, I'm just going to control Z. Instead of add, what I got to do is to add icon. Self-closing tag, right? This is wrong. uh add icon. Make sure you're not making any mistakes. Now that one, that add text converted into icon. So I what I wanted to do right now is to give this add symbol and hover effect. So what we got to do is we got to use fab API, which gives an boolean, what is called a dazzling effect to our button or hover effect. So let's go over here and paste that over here, and inside the fab, I mean, instead of button, I'll convert that. Control Z. I'll convert this button into fab and save, and you can see we got the hover effect now. And I wanted to get a zoom effect, zoom. I mean, when I refresh, it will like small to big. So to get that, what I got to do is I got to use zoom API. I'm gonna copy this one. You can copy this one as well, whichever suits for you. You can choose as you like. And I'll copy here, and I'm gonna create a zoom and wrap this one inside the zoom. Oh, so careful when you're doing that. That one's missing because if you look at the documentation, you can see to get that you got to use in property, and you got it to be true to do that. So in zoom, true, uh, wish it will work. Now you can see that effect, right? And I want this application or this note to show only it taken note or the text area before. I don't want to show this one as well. When I press, it got to show title and take note and this one as well. So to do that, what I got to do is to first things first, I got to use state to make that happen. So I'm gonna create a new const here, not over here, inside here, handle change. Mm, so over inside the handle change, I'm gonna create another one called is expanded, comma set expand equal to use state, and initially it needs to be false, and another function called expand. Whenever I call this function, this is expanded needs to become true. So set expand equal to true. So now over here, you know if that set expanded, I mean, when that will happen is when I click over here on click, what is called expand. Ah, looks like everything is miss. Uh, Everything's just disappeared. On change, on click. Uh, my bad. You can see that. What is called here? This use state must be outside this function. So I'm just gonna make it. I mean here. Uh, and and I'm going to make this one come to here and save. Looks like some errors there. Here it needs to be expand and mm, so when I click it's going to be expand, right? So when it expand, the condition of is expanded becomes true. So if it is not true, what I want, it is not. I mean, I don't want the title to be shown. So I'm going to use is expanded is true. So I can use this condition, right? Mm, is expanded true, then this will happen. Uh, Looks like some error occurred. I mean, because of this input. So let's go back and here I want it to be like this. So now it's good. So initially it's only showing take notes and I don't want the what's called this add icon to shown before, I mean before that one too. So I'm going to add this one over here as well on uh, mm, and there in the text area take note whole place from what's called lines. Are there lines or let me see over here what are they called? Rows. Let's give rows if, I mean, if expanded is gonna be true, expanded then it will be 3, otherwise this gonna be 1. So now it is only 1, right? When I click uh, when I click then it is gonna be shown. It is true. Uh, When I click is expand is going to be true, and is expanded is going to become true. Then this is going to be shown. What uh, input is going to be shown on change, handle change will happen. This isn't happening because maybe because of this error, and I'll save, remove this bastard over here. I'll save, and when I click, you can see you're getting the title as well. And I don't want it to get this one when it happens, so I'm just gonna give conditions such as here as well. Control X and is expanded is gonna be true, then I want it to be happen. So initially it's only showing this one. When I press this one, you can see we're getting title and this one as well. So and I want to give the keeper application an icon which shines like a diamond. So I'll choose diamond. In the material icons, I'll go over here, and sometimes it doesn't work just as I like, and sometimes diamond shine light, which here this is good, and I'll paste over where is the title, or where's the title available. Hope this is gonna be an application. Where's the title? Where's the title? Where's the title? Uh, no idea where the title is. Mm, in the create area, I'll remove all this. In the note here, here's the title. Not this one. This isn't the title two. Remove this one. The app. This isn't the title two. Create area. Not maybe this gonna be in header. Here's the title. So paste and copy it. Uh, paste and self-closing tag, right? Now let's see. Save. Now we are getting this icon, and when I press, and it's showing this, what is called styling and the dependencies. Oh, and we have pretty much achieved everything we want, except one thing, that is getting the transparent background. You can see we didn't get the transparent background yet, so we want to get a transparent background. To get that, we're going to use what is called చదువుకున్నానా transparent texture. అలాగే. Mm, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose whichever the transparent background we want. So I'll choose this one, not this one. First I'll choose color pink, and mm, This is good. And once I select that one, I'm going to copy this CS, grab the CSS and copy it. And inside our documentation, I'll go to the public and styles.css in the body. I'll paste here and I'll just remove the background color and save. And once I've done that, if I go over here and refresh the page, you'll see our background has been changed into a beautiful one. So we have achieved everything that I have envisioned. This is what the final output is look like. So when I click that button, it will show title and text one, and shows the little animation over here. And when I enter Ajay, how are you doing, and when I press, it will add and it will show these icons, and we can delete it as well. So we have pretty much achieved everything we want. So that's it. Hope this video is helpful to you and pretty much understandable to you as well. So this is it. Our you know keeper application project has been successfully ended, and I'll see you all in my next video with a new concept as well. So that's it. Bye.